This is the PCB for the alarm timing microproduct. This PCB integrates the functions of setting time, setting an alarm, and snoozing the alarm. The system is controlled by an ATMega328P microcontroller, and DS3231 is used as a real-time clock IC. This circuit draws a 7-volt power right now, and the 7 volt is regulated by this voltage regulator. First, I will demonstrate the function set time. First, I press the set time button once, and the set time LED is on, and it's telling me to input the hour. I input the hour as 12. Input hour. Now it's telling me to input the minutes. I input the minutes as 12. Confirm. Now the time is set to 12:12. Now I'm setting an alarm for 12:13. Press set alarm button once. Input the hour as 12. Input the minute as 13. Confirm the alarm. An active alarm LED is lighted now. The alarm is ringing after 1 minute. Now I press the snooze button to snooze the alarm. Next, I will demonstrate the delete alarm function. First, I will set an alarm. I'm inputting the hour as 12. I'm inputting the minute as 15. Confirm the alarm. Now the alarm active LED is lighted. I can delete this alarm with pressing the set alarm button with an active alarm. Now the alarm is off.